In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new ClickUp workspace. By the end, you'll have a clean new workspace set up and tailored to how you and your team work. Start inside ClickUp on the overview page of your current team space. This overview, sometimes labeled My Workspace or Overview, is your hub. From here, look for the option to create a workspace. Click Create Workspace. This begins ClickUp's guided setup, which helps you configure the essentials without getting overwhelmed. You'll first see a question asking what you'll use this workspace for. Choose the option that best fits your scenario: work, school, personal, or another category. This choice only influences starting recommendations like templates and default views, so pick what matches your day-to-day use case. You can always fine-tune things later. Next, ClickUp will ask what you'd like to manage. Select the kinds of work you plan to organize here, such as projects, tasks, clients, or goals. These selections help ClickUp suggest features and layouts that make sense for your workflow. If you're unsure, choose the most relevant options. Nothing is permanent. You'll then be prompted to invite people to your workspace. Add teammates now if you're ready, or continue solo and invite them after you've set up the basics. Inviting later can be helpful if you want to finalize structure and permissions first. Click Next to continue through the setup. You'll be asked whether you use any common tools. Select the apps you already rely on so ClickUp can surface helpful integrations and import options. If you're not connecting tools yet, simply skip this for now. It won't block your setup. You'll also be asked which features you're interested in trying. Choose the features that align with your needs, things like dashboards, docs, or automation. These preferences help ClickUp highlight the right capabilities, and you can turn features on or off later as your process evolves. Click Next to move forward. Lastly, you'll name your workspace. Choose a clear, recognizable name, often your company, team, or project name, so everyone knows they're in the right place. This name appears throughout the app for all members. Confirm your choice to finalize creation. That's it. You've created a new ClickUp workspace.